do things to happen, waiting things to happen, or don't know what happened. So once again, it's me, Mr. Choi. So for today's video, so we're going to talk about some of the characteristic, attitude, or maybe it can be significantly for those leaders in our society or to our environment or to our surroundings nowadays. So share ko lang sa inyo itong mga ka-mindset, no? So I was learned this before in my previous company, no? So as what I said recently, do things to happen, waiting things to happen, and don't know what happened. So ito po yung mga kaugalian ng isang tao o pwede rin isang leader sa ating lipunan o sa ating kapaligiran. So syempre himayin natin mga ka-mindset. Una yung do things to happen. So well, commonly there are those people na talagang doers or risk takers sila. Kumbaga sila talagang gumagawa ng kanilang kapalaran, sila yung gumagawa ng kanilang gustong marating sa buhay. So sila yung tinatawag na do things to happen. So hindi nila hinahayaang hindi mangyayari ang kanilang gusto sa buhay. So gumagawa sila ng aksyon o paraan. That's why they are called or they are categorized as those people na do things to happen. Now the second one is the waiting things to happen. So ito naman yung mga tipo ng leader or mga tao sa lipunan na naghihintay lang na kung ano ang mangyari, come what may, or kung mangyari, di mangyari, kung hindi, di hindi. So sila yung tipo ng taong categorized as waiting things to happen. So commonly naghihintay lang sila sa mga mangyayari talaga sa kanilang buhay o sa kanilang kapaligiran o anything. So that's why they are categorized as waiting things to happen. And the third one is those people are called don't know what happened. So don't know what happened. So sila yung mga tipong taong laging, ha? Yun ba yun? Ha? Totoo ba yun? So honestly speaking, wala silang alam or hindi nila alam yung mga nangyayari sa kanilang kapaligiran, or maybe they are not in focus, or maybe they are not interested sa mga tagumpay or success or yung mga nangyayari sa kanilang kapaligiran. That's why they are called or they are just categorized as those people na don't know what happened. So I hope, di ba, kung saan man tayo doon mga ka-mindset, kung tayo man yung tipong do things to happen, gumagawa ng ating kapalaran, waiting things to happen, naghihintay na lang kung ano mangyayari sa ating kapalaran. Or pangatlo, where the worst is, don't know what happened. So sadyang wala talaga tayong alam sa ating mga gustong marating, gustong makamit sa ating buhay. So I hope mga ka-mindset, no, meron tayong natutunan. So as what I said, share ko lang naman sa inyo kasi natutunan ko lang din yan previously in my previous company. So I hope na nakapili na kayo. So syempre doon tayo sa do things to happen. So gawin natin yung mga bagay-bagay na gusto natin. Gawin natin yung mga bagay na ambisyon natin at goal natin sa buhay. Kailangang makamit, kailangang makamtan. That's why we must have to categorize ourselves as do things to happen. So sana may natutunan mga ka-mindset, no? So have a good day, have a good night, o kung anong oras yung mga napanood yung video ito. So once again, it's me, Mr. Choi. Lagi nagsasabi sa inyong mindset is power.